we were on this step. Here 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 into 6. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 is equals to 2x2 plus 4. And here 3 into 1 is 3. 2y2, 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. This 4 will come here. 6 minus 4 is 2x2. 2 will get divided here. So basically you will get the answer as 1. x2 is 1. And here minus 3 will come here. 3 plus 3 is 2y2. 3 plus 3 is 6. So y2 is equals to 3. These are simple calculations. You can do it on your own also. So once we find x2, y2, this x2, y2 is nothing but the point M. Point M is nothing but the midpoint of BC. So they were asking this point in the question, midpoint of BC. Okay. I hope you have understood the sum. If not, please watch it once again. I've told you that this is the median. Centroid. Centroid always divides the median in the ratio 2:1. That was the learning in the question. Centroid divides the median in a ratio 2:1. Okay. Next, question number 19. In franc only, they have given us the in triangle PQR. Point P is 6,5 and the midpoint of QR, let's name it M, is 9, minus 1. Midpoint of QR is 9, minus 1. And join this. If this M is the midpoint, that means PM is median, because the line which joins the midpoint is nothing but the median. So PM is median. I'll write here PM is median. Now the question is to find the centroid, coordinates of centroid. So let's say centroid is here denoted by G, and let's name it x, y. Let this point be x1, y1, and this point be x2, y2. Centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. That is fixed. We can write a statement also here that centroid, write the same statement, divides the median in the ratio 2:1. The same statement which we wrote in the previous sum. Write the same statement and apply the formula that x is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, and see similarly y m2. Let's substitute the values. X and y is not known here. This time we do not know the centroid, but we know the ratio 2:1, and we know x1 and x2. x1 is 6, x2 is 9. m1 is 2, x2 is 9, plus m2 is 1, and x1 is 6 upon m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2 is 2 plus 1. Similarly here y is m1 2, y2 is minus 1, plus m2 is 1 into y1. y1 is 5 upon m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 1. Let's solve this. 18 plus 6 upon 3, and here I have minus 2 plus 5 upon 3. I'll check the answer here. 19th question of 11A exercise. This becomes 24 upon 3, that is 8, and y is 3 upon 3, that is 1. So the coordinates are 8, 1. So I'll write here in the final answer, centroid is 8, 1. Okay, so the learning in this part was that the median, for a median, the centroid divides the line in 2:1 ratio. So that is why our M1 ratio M2 becomes 2:1. This was the learning part. Okay, so copy this sum, and with this we complete the section and midpoint chapter for now. If you have any doubts, you can message me, as you will have test on this chapter as well. For homework, you have to solve exercise 13A, 13B, 11A and 11B. This homework was already given. This is the new homework for you. You have to complete this within 2 days, then we'll have a test on this chapter. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.